Computer networks for beginner. Computer networks are a growing trend. You can find them at your home, school, work, and most of the places you go on a daily basis. In this course, you will learn the basic concepts of computer networks. Specifically, you are expected to achieve the following milestones: become aware of networks surrounding you. When you start noticing networks around you, you will also understand the big part of the IT world. You will learn how the internet works, how your internet service provider (ISP) allows you to connect online, how do people share data without internet access, and much more. Everything starts by becoming aware of computer networks. Learn how to set up a network. Whether you are taking this course to improve yourself, to get a better grade at school, or because of work, setting up a network is a skill that is very useful today. Yet many people do not know how to do it. You have an opportunity to learn it in a few minutes. Learn how to protect yourself in a network, including the internet. Unwanted sharing of passwords, pictures, documents, credit card numbers, and internet activity is not something anybody would want to share. But, with the expanded usage of computer networks, privacy is becoming an abstract term. This course helps you protect yourself when going online, and also protect your home office network. Who is this course for? 1. Anyone who wants to learn the most important concepts of computer networks. 2. A person who just wants to learn how the internet works. 3. Anyone who is studying on their computer network exam. What will you learn? As I wrote earlier, you will learn the most important concepts of computer networks. The exact topics include: 1. Types of networks, size, topology. 2. Cables in computer networks. 3. TCP/IP architecture. 4. ISO/OSI model. 5. IP protocol, IP address, routing. 6. TCP and UDP, how they work and what they do. 6. TCP, connection management.